Can something as simple and common as mint make you sick? Well, it can. And in fact, it makes me sick. I found this out through a food sensitivity test that I did on myself and now continue to do for patients in my practice. I have two quick stories to explain how crazy finding out this mint inflammation for me was. So when I was young, I would be playing ball in my backyard, and my mother had a bed of mint growing in our backyard. And every once in a while, the ball would go into that bed. I would rummage around trying to find the ball, and once I would, my hand would come out and it would be irritating and itching. And back then, I didn't think anything of it. I continued to play, and it wasn't a big deal until I got my results back from this food sensitivity test and saw that mint was highly inflammatory to me. And I thought, that seems strange. I really like junior mints when I go to the movies. But the test showed it, so I was following that and removed mint for the next period of my life. Fast forward to a couple of years later, I was feeling great at the movie theater and thought, I'm getting junior mints. So I sat down, settled in for the movie, and popped that first mint into my mouth, and it felt like my mouth was on fire. My lips were stinging, and I recognized then just how true that irritation was. And we now realize that we can build a tolerance to something that we're taking in all the time, but once removed and added back in, we recognize just how bothersome it is. So the mint was creating inflammation all the way through my digestive tract. I've now gone back to avoiding the mint, of course, and have gotten used to the different types of toothpaste that don't contain it. Now we understand that we build a tolerance to certain foods if we're eating them all the time. It doesn't mean that they're not bothering us, but we don't recognize the effects. So yes, for me, mint is bothersome, and it's crazy some of the things that come back as inflammatory to people. Just the other day, I had someone that pineapple showed up as one of their inflammatory foods, and they thought, it can't be. Pineapple is healthy. And yes, it is. But there's a multitude of reasons why it might not be ideal for you at that period of time. So we have a protocol we do with our clients that is a part of my digestive health program. And removing that healthy food for a period of time, healthy or not, for a period of time, healing the gut and restoring the proper bacterial balance helps you achieve that digestive health you're looking for. So there it is. There's my mint inflammation story. And while it's kind of fun, I'd love for you to find out what your inflammatory foods are. It really is the first step into healing your gut and improving your digestive symptoms. I look forward to helping you. Thanks. You can find out more and get in touch with me on drtroywillis.com. Be sure to follow me on social media for updates and insights into digestive health.